mastering the tree map, or also called carpet plot, by using Matplotlib. A tree map is a data visualization method that displays hierarchical data using nested rectangles. Each rectangle represents a category or subcategory with its size proportionate to a specific value, such as quantity or magnitude. Tree maps are effective for showing the relative proportions of data within a hierarchy, making it easy to compare values and identify patterns or trends at a glance. They are widely used in business, analytics, and data exploration to represent complex datasets in an intuitive and space-efficient manner. Creating datasets for a tree map involves organizing hierarchical data with categories, subcategories, and their corresponding values. These values represent the size or importance of each segment in the visualization. We can start by writing a simple code using Matplotlib to create a basic tree map. This straightforward approach helps visualize and compare hierarchical data effectively, making it easier to identify patterns and insights within a dataset. Practicing different approaches and techniques is essential for finding the best results in any task or field. By experimenting with various methods, you can discover what works best for you and refine your skills. Displaying or removing axes in a tree map is entirely within your control. While axes can be useful in certain visualizations, they are often unnecessary in tree maps, as the hierarchical data is conveyed through the size arrangement of rectangles. Using Matplotlib, you can easily turn the axes off by including the command in your code. The selection of colors in a tree map plays a critical role in its effectiveness and readability. Appropriate color choices can enhance the visualization by clearly distinguishing between categories or emphasizing specific data points. Poor color selection, on the other hand, can confuse viewers or obscure the insights the tree map is meant to convey. It's also essential to consider colorblind-friendly palettes to ensure accessibility for all audiences. With thoughtful color choices, a tree map can become not only visually appealing, but also an impactful tool for communicating data effectively. A title is a crucial element in a tree map, as it provides immediate context and sets the focus for the visualization. It helps viewers to understand the purpose and scope of the tree map, ensuring they can interpret hierarchical data accurately. A well-crafted title summarizes the main idea or key insight being presented, making the visualization more informative and effective. Without a clear title, the viewer may struggle to grasp the relevance or objective of the tree map, reducing its overall impact. Axis labels in a visualization are essential for providing clarity and context to the data being presented. They help identify what each axis represents, whether it is a category, a numerical range, or another data dimension. In the context of a tree map, Axis labels are not typically used, since tree maps focus on hierarchical data rather than Cartesian axes. However, in other types of visualizations, well-defined axis labels ensure viewers can interpret the data accurately and effectively, enhancing the overall impact. Edge colors in a tree map play an important role in enhancing the visual distinction between rectangles, especially when dealing with densely packed or similar colored sections. By outlining each rectangle with a defined edge color, you can improve clarity and make the hierarchical structure more evident. The choice of edge color should complement the overall color scheme to avoid visual clutter while maintaining readability. Matplotlib provides options to customize edge colors, allowing you to adjust their thickness, style or shade for better emphasis and a polished appearance in your tree map. Learning about tree maps using Matplotlib is certainly valuable, but applying that knowledge to real-world examples is what truly strengthens your understanding. Practical experience allows you to explore diverse datasets, adapt to different requirements, and refine your skills. This hands-on approach not only solidifies concepts, but also fosters creativity and critical thinking, enabling you to develop unique and impactful visualizations. By experimenting with real-world scenarios, you gain confidence and a deeper appreciation for the versatility of Treemaps in communicating data effectively. Every effort you put in, every new concept you grasp, and every mistake you learn from contributes to your progress. Over time, these incremental advancements compound, leading to significant improvements that might have once seemed out of reach. Embracing the journey and celebrating each step creates momentum, keeps you motivated, and reminds you that progress is a continuous process of moving forward. Including data values in a tree map enhances its effectiveness by providing precise numerical information alongside the visual representation. This approach allows viewers to not only compare the relative sizes of categories, but also understand the exact values each segment represents. By displaying these values, you can make the tree map more informative, ensuring that both visual and numeric details are effectively conveyed. Matplotlib supports this feature, and you can customize the font size, color, and placement of the values to align with the design of your tree map. Progress truly is a journey, made up of small, consistent steps. Each step you take, no matter how small it may seem, moves you closer to your goals and builds the foundation for greater achievements. It's not just about the destination, it's about the growth, learning, and resilience you develop along the way. Even the setbacks or challenges you encounter are part of the process, teaching you valuable lessons and making you stronger. Using color maps in your graph is an effective way to enhance its visual appeal and convey more information. Color maps are gradients, or predefined sets of colors that can represent data values, making it easier to interpret trends, patterns, and differences at a glance. They are particularly useful when dealing with large datasets or multiple categories, as they help to distinguish between data tools clearly. Applying color maps ensures your graph is not only functional, but also aesthetically engaging, improving overall readability and impact. Color bars are a valuable element in data visualizations, particularly when using color maps to represent data values. They provide a reference scale that helps viewers to interpret the colors in the plot, making it easier to understand the data's range and distribution. By including a color bar, you enhance the clarity and readability of your visualization, ensuring that the audience can accurately interpret the color-coded information. We hope that the method we are presenting feels simple and easy for you to follow. Our goal is to ensure that this tutorial is not just informative, but also engaging and worth your time. By breaking things down into clear and manageable steps, we aim to provide you with a seamless learning experience that enhances your understanding. Your time is valuable, and we want to make sure this tutorial offers practical knowledge that you can effectively apply. We genuinely hope that you find this approach useful, and that it leaves you feeling more confident and capable. Engaging in this type of experimentation helps you become more comfortable with the tools and techniques used in data science. It fosters creativity and encourages you to think critically about how to achieve the desired results. Additionally, this method can make the learning process more enjoyable and less intimidating as you discover new ways to manipulate data and create visualizations. Text boards in Matplotlib are important because they allow us to customize text elements in visualizations, such as labels, titles, and annotations, by adjusting properties like font size, color, and alignment. We can make the text more readable, visually appealing, and tailored to the design of the visualization. This helps in clearly conveying information and ensuring that the visualization is both effective and easy to understand. If you're a beginner, experimenting with random changes and playing with your code can be highly beneficial. This approach allows you to explore different possibilities, understand how various components work together, and develop problem-solving skills. It can significantly enhance your learning experience in data science and data visualization, making the process more enjoyable and effective. Embrace the experimentation mindset, and you will find yourself growing and improving rapidly. We always strive to make learning simple, enjoyable, and effective for you by breaking down complex ideas and presenting them in an understandable way. Our goal is to create a supportive environment where knowledge feels accessible. We put in our best effort to ensure that you not only understand, but also enjoy the process of learning. Your growth and success are at the heart of everything we do, and we constantly aim to adapt and improve so we can better meet your needs. With every step, we work towards making your experience smoother, clear, and more rewarding. Our goal is to make learning and understanding complex concepts as easy as possible for you. By breaking down intricate ideas into simpler, step-by-step explanations, we ensure that you can grasp the material more effectively. We provide clear guidance, practical examples, and relevant context to help you to navigate through the learning process with ease. Our commitment is to support you in mastering new skills and knowledge without unnecessary complexity, making your learning experience smooth, enjoyable, and productive. Your success and comprehension are our top priorities. Achieving success is always a rewarding experience, but it's important to recognize that there is always room for improvement. By continuously reflecting on your accomplishments and seeking ways to enhance your skills and knowledge, you can keep growing and reaching new heights. Embrace the mindset of lifelong learning and self-improvement, and you will find that your journey is filled with opportunities for further success. Data visualization can begin with extracting data from an Excel file using Pandas, a powerful library for data manipulation. Pandas simplifies the process of reading, organizing, and preparing data for analysis, ensuring it is structured and ready for visualization. To work with an Excel file, we can use its file location. For this, you can rely on Pandas to load and handle the data efficiently. By providing the full file path, you can access the content of the Excel file and organize it for further analysis or visualization. Pandas offers a versatile function to read Excel files, enabling you to specify the location of the file on your system and process the data directly. This approach simplifies data manipulation and prepares it for any tasks you aim to accomplish. When working with data, it's indeed a great practice to replace generic terms like data sets with the specific column names from your Excel file. This approach adds clarity and precision, making it easier to understand and communicate the purpose of your analysis. Don't be discouraged when you make mistakes. While learning data science, mistakes are an integral part of the learning process and provide valuable lessons that help you grow and improve. Consistent practice is key when mastering data visualization with Matplotlib. By working regularly with different datasets and experimenting with various visual elements, you not only build confidence, but also develop a deeper understanding of how to communicate insights effectively. Each graph you create helps refine your skills and makes you more comfortable with Matplotlib's capabilities. Keep exploring, trying out new features, and challenging yourself. Progress comes with every step you take. Animation adds a dynamic element to graphs, making them more engaging and interactive. It helps to capture attention while effectively illustrating changes or trends over time. By visualizing data in motion, you can communicate complex patterns in a way that's intuitive and captivating. This approach not only brings your graphs to life, but also makes them more impactful and memorable. Frames play a crucial role in animating specific portions of the graph. Each frame represents a snapshot of the graph at a particular point in time. By updating the graph's state for each frame, we create the illusion of movement and transformation. This technique allows you to control and animate various aspects of the graph. When animating a graph, the code responsible for updating the elements of the visualization should be placed within the update function. This function serves as the core mechanism for defining how the graph evolves over time. It dynamically modifies the graphical components, such as data points, lines, or rows, based on the frame or time step provided by the animation framework. By structuring your code this way, you ensure that the animation is smooth and coherent, with each frame building upon the previous one to create a visually appealing transition. Using Funcanimation to create these animations not only improves the visual impact of your graphs, but also enhances your understanding of data visualization techniques. This hands-on approach allows you to explore different possibilities and develop your skills in creating dynamic and informative graphs. Sometimes things don't go our way, and it can be frustrating. In those moments, it's important to stay resilient and keep a positive outlook. Challenges and setbacks are part of the journey, and they often present valuable learning opportunities. By staying determined and open to new solutions, we can find ways to overcome obstacles and ultimately achieve our goals. Remember, persistence and adaptability are key to navigating difficult situations and growing stronger from the experience. Improvement, indeed, requires effort and dedication. To make meaningful progress, it's important to invest time and energy into refining your work. This involves analyzing what can be enhanced, seeking feedback, and continuously learning new techniques. By committing to this process, you can steadily elevate the quality of your outputs and achieve your goals. Setting a graph is an essential practice in data analysis and visualization. It allows you to preserve your work for future reference, making it easy to revisit or share your findings with others. Setting your graphs as images is an excellent practice. It allows you to preserve your visualizations for future reference, share them easily, and include them in reports or presentations, while saving graphs as PDFs ensures high-quality, detailed visualizations that are perfect for reports, presentations, and easy sharing. Saving animations as GIFs or video files is a great way to preserve and share dynamic visualizations. GIFs are ideal for quick sharing on platforms or embedding in documents due to their lightweight format and easy playback. Videos, on the other hand, provide higher quality and support features like sound and longer durations, making them suitable for detailed presentations or professional use. Both formats ensure your animations are accessible, visually appealing, and ready for various applications. Indeed, there's always an opportunity to improve and refine the way things work. Striving for better solutions, more efficiency, and higher quality not only enhances outcomes, but also fosters growth and innovation. This mindset of continuous improvement keeps systems evolving and ensures that work processes remain dynamic and effective. By embracing change and seeking better ways of doing things, you can consistently move towards greater success and fulfillment.